Hey guys, it's Oliver, and we're back in the third part of the advanced simulator tutorial. So, like I said, in this tutorial, we're going to be doing things with the backpack and the cell. So we're going to be making a pop-up that shows up when your backpack is full, where you can click the cell. And then we're going to be making a button where you can sell. So first of all, we're going to make the button. So first of all, we have to add a part. And this is where the player is going to teleport. And I'm just saying this works for anything, so you can even use this for another game, not just the simulator series. Okay, make sure to position it like kind of in the center. Okay, that's good enough. And bring it up a little bit. Then transparency 1, can call it false. And then I will name this teleport to cell. And what I usually do is I put this block into server storage. So it's better. So we put it into server storage, and then we can get scripting. So we can go into the game controller, and then we can make another function to be local function teleport to cell. Then we can do player.character primary part dot cframe is equal to let's make a variable. Local cell teleport part is equal to, and then we can do game. Actually, let's make a variable for server storage as well. So let's go up here and we can do local server storage is equal to game colon get service server storage. And in this we can do server storage dot teleport to cell. And then we can do cell teleport part dot cframe. Local cell teleport button. Cell button. I'll just name it that. Actually, cell teleport button equals to and cell equals to. I'm going to make a variable for starter GUI as well, because to just clean up the script. So game local starter GUI because game can't get service starter GUI. And local cell teleport button equals to starter GUI dot main GUI. Oh wait, I already have a thing for the GUI. So it could be GUI dot cell. Then let me just clean this up. So put this in the middle, and then I can also do here. I can do cell teleport button dot mouse button one click on connect teleport to cell. Okay, let's see if this works. So hopefully when I click cell, teleport to cell. Oh yeah, sorry. So instead of server storage, we have to make it replicated storage because the client can't view things that are in server storage. So I can make so change this top variable for server storage to replicated storage. So game will get to replicated storage. And at the cell teleport part, we can do replicated storage instead. Dot teleport cell. And let's see if that works. Let's see. You see? Whoop, that works. Okay. Boom. And boom, that works. Okay. So now let's create the GUI for the pop-up. Oh, it's a little big. Let's shrink that up. Doesn't need to be that big. And then, so I use this cool tool called Auto Scale Light, where it changes everything to scale, because offset like messes things up and it doesn't look good. So I can move the scale. I can now edit it freely when it's scaled, and then I can name this frame backpack. Let's name it that, and then I'm gonna change the background transparency to a nice gray. And I'm gonna add a UI corner to it. Make it 0.1, 0. That does not look good. That looks good. So first I need a button to X out. Like that, and I can set this to scale. Then I can make the background transparency red. And I'm gonna add a UI corner to it. 0.0. And then I'm gonna change the font to for Doka one, change the text color to white, make the text scaled, rich text, and make it text X. So that's to close. And then I can make a text label. And then I can make this like the title. And I'm gonna make this like the title, so I can make it Doka one again, and I can make it say backpack full. And I'm gonna name this title. I'm gonna duplicate it and then move it down and make a little message. And then I'm gonna make it say like something like, oh no, it looks like our backpack is full. Can I either sell or upgrade? Then I'm gonna make two buttons. Text button, and then I'm gonna name this message. I'm gonna name this text message. Name this text button just to sell. And then I'm gonna make it like green. It's way too bright. Make it darker, that looks nice. Then I'm gonna UI cornering to it. Do 0.1, 0. I can maybe make it a little bigger. Then I can make the text scaled. And I'm gonna make the font for Doka one. For Doka one right there. Text color white. And then I can make the text something like cell. I can name this cell button. I can duplicate it. Name this one upgrade button. So we're not gonna do this yet, but in a later tutorial we're gonna do a shop where you can like upgrade your backpack and everything. So we can make that blue, and then we can name it upgrade. Then I'm gonna make this not all caps. So looks good enough. So let's change the background transparency to 1. What the? Oh no, why am I doing background transparency? Visible false. Then add strength. Player. Storage. If player.back. So in this add strength function, we're gonna add if player.backpack storage at the bottom. Then we're gonna check if this is less than, if this is greater than, if player.backpack storage is equal to number player.stats strength value. And I can wrap this in a number 2 just to be safe. And then I can do player.backpack storage value. Then we can show that pop-up. So we can do, what's that thing called for service? Local starter GUI equals to player dot, no, equals to get service starter GUI. So like that, and then we can do, so if we do starter GUI on a server script, then it would show for everybody, so we have to do something called player GUI. So good thing we have the player over here, so we can do player GUI, which is the same thing as this, starter GUI, but it's just a duplicate in the player. Main GUI dot backpack popup, and then we can set the visibility to true. Now let's see that. I feel like this cooldown's a little too slow. Boom. Oh no, backpack full. Looks like your backpack's full. You can either sell or upgrade. Okay, that's good. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the cooldown to like 1/2. Have a second. Oh, I have to make this up. Yeah, guys. So I realized that the cooldown has to be a number value, not an int value, because a lot of times you make like a half cooldown or something, and you can't do that with ints. You can't do decimals with ints. So yeah, that works. And now I just need to make this. Let me show you guys. That's way better. I need to make this little X button work, because that doesn't work at the moment. Because let's say they don't want to sell and they want to keep their stuff. So game controller, I want to make a function. Local function. Close backpack pop-up. Then I'm gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna do game. So then I can do what is it? GUI backpack pop-up visible equals to false. So it isn't necessary for a function with one line of code, but it just makes the script look cleaner. So we can do UI backpack popup close mouse for one click connect close backpack popup. Now let's see if that works. So if I add some stuff, Then, oh no, backpack full. So I want to keep my strength. Close it. Oh, but it doesn't appear again. Yeah, that's fine. They only need it to be appeared once. And then we can also make the sell button look. So that's really easy because we already have this function that teleports to sell. So we can just do GUI.backpack popup .sell button .mouse button click and connect teleport to sell. And that's really easy. And then once we do that, we also probably want to hide the GUI. So we probably want to hide the GUI. Teleport to sell, and I don't know if it works like this, but let me try. Teleport to sell, come on, close backpack pop-up. No, it doesn't work like that. So I can also do GUI.backpack pop-up .sell button .mouse for one click, connect close backpack pop-up. Oh no, we don't have that yet, so I have to X this out, and then so I just cut it and I just put it down here because we didn't make the closed backpack pop up yet back there. So boom, let's see if that works. Hopefully it works perfectly because that would be amazing. And boom. Okay. So I think, whoa, so it doesn't work. It doesn't work after you do it, so that's a glitch. So I can go to the game manager, what's happening? Value is greater than or equal to. Then I also set it over here. Let's see that. Whoa. What's that all about? So not over there. Oh, I know why. It's less than or equal to. Not greater than or equal to. Okay, so that doesn't work. So I think we're gonna need a remote event. Remote event in the events, and then we can do show backpack pop-up, we can name it. And then we can just do show backpack. We have to make a event for it. Local show back pop-up event equals to events, wait for child, show backpack pop-up event. And then we can do, we have to fire it to the client. So we can do show backpack pop-up, fire client. Then what can we send? We don't need to send anything. Over here, we can just, all the way down here, we can do, let's make events. Local, let's make a variable for events, so local events equals to replicate storage and wait for child events. You can do local show backpack pop-up event equals to events and wait for child show backpack pop-up. So that works. So wait, what am I saying? Then we can do show backpack pop event dot on client events. Connect. Connect. Oh, what am I doing? Open. With new function. Let's make a new function called open. Oh no, let's make it before here. Let's make it over here. Open function. Open backpack pop-up. And then we can just do GY dot backpack pop-up dot visible equals to true. Then we can do open backpack pop-up. And then see if that works. See if that works. So we just have to add a player argument. And boom, look, own your backpack's full. And boom, that's fixed. Boom, sell. Okay, so the upgrade button doesn't work yet, but yeah, so that perfectly works. So in the next video, I think we're probably gonna add a shop. And so the reason why I'm not doing data stores yet is because it's easier to do it at the end of the tutorial, because so like when I add new stuff, I don't need to add data stores for all that too. So I'm just gonna make like one big data stores video at the end. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to leave down in the comments any suggestions that you have. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.